Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Android phone, his camera on OBS. Using your Android phone as a webcam can significantly improve video quality compared to most built-in laptop cameras. This is useful for meetings, streaming, or recording videos. In this guide, you'll learn how to use your Android camera as a webcam using Arian on both Windows and Android. To begin, turn on both your Windows PC and Android phone. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi Fi network. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Search for Arian Webcam. Download and install the app. Then tap Open to launch it and tap Dismiss if prompted. Now, on your computer, on your Windows PC, open the browser and download the Arian Webcam client. Once downloaded, switch to your PC and install the Arian software. After installation, open the Arian webcam client on your computer. Wait for the phone and PC connect automatically. Once connected, your phone camera feed will appear on your PC screen. Now let us open the OBS Studio. Click the plus button on the sources panel. Choose video capture source. Click OK and choose Arian webcam as camera device. Then click on OK to confirm. Adjust your phone's position and lighting for better video quality. Start your video by clicking Start Recording. And once done, click Stop Recording. Tip: you can also connect your phone via USB for a more stable connection if Wi Fi is low. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.